We got a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house in Winter Garden, Florida.
And it's as smooth on the eyes as this is easy on the ears. Take us home, Raw Maker.
Oh, I will. Hey everybody, it's Mark and Sarah Rawmaker with the Home Squad at eXp Realty. We are in Winter Garden, Florida today at 2263 Romanum Drive. Sarah, what's some of the things you're excited to show the audience about?
Okay, I love that this house has the 4 bedrooms, but what's cool is that there are also 4 full bathrooms and a huge oversized loft that can be used for pretty much anything.
Yeah, and the owners really want everybody to know how amazing the backyard is. There's no rear neighbors, and every night they sit out there and watch the beautiful Florida sunsets.
Let's go check it out.
Come on.
Welcome to 2263 Romanum Drive. The outside of the home has a new coat of paint, a beautiful pavered driveway, freshly trimmed palm trees, and best of all, an HOA that mows the lawn for you.
As you walk in the front door, you will notice the tall ceilings and the upgraded laminate flooring. To your right are 2 bedrooms and 1 full bath.
Continuing down the central walkway brings you to the main living space, the trifecta living, kitchen, dining, open floor plan. The kitchen features plenty of cabinets, granite countertops, and an island with bar stools for extra seating. An abundance of natural light shines through the triple sliding glass door that leads to the screened-in lanai.
From there, you will find the owner's suite with a walk-in closet and the bathroom with a double vanity, large soaking tub, and a standalone shower. The first floor finishes off with the 4th bedroom and full bathroom.
The second level is an oversized loft that could be used for absolutely anything, and also features the 4th full bathroom.
Other highlights are a new AC in 2019, a smart thermostat, a fire pit pad installed this year, and beautiful sunset views from your backyard. The HOA also includes a community pool, a playground, gazebo, and a lawn maintenance.
So we love this house, and we think you will too.
Yeah, and I also want to mention really quick before we go that this view right here, these are those beautiful sunsets you can see every night in this oversized backyard.
Yeah, so if you want to see this house in person, message us and we will set it up.
Yeah, thanks for stopping by, guys.
Bye. I don't want to just sit here. Can I have a Chevy like this?
Does this make me look kind of blind? No, I think it's...
Or what if you do that on after Take Us Home, Raw Maker, and then put them on? Oh, I will.
Oh, I will. That's good.
Okay.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah. Everybody, it's Mark and Sarah Rawmaker with the Home Squad at eXp Realty.
Yes, and we are here today in Winter Garden, Florida, huh?
Oh, sorry. You paused.
Well, I thought you were just going to say everything and then say, what's your favorite thing about
I
this?
was.
Sorry.
Sorry for that.
You doing that?